Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the aspect ratio of a video in Premiere Pro. Alright, the first way to do it is pretty straightforward. Head over to the Sequence menu, then click on Sequence Settings. Now, let's say you want to turn your video into a social media format, like 9:16 for vertical video. All you need to do is change your frame size to 1080 by 1920. Doing it this way works fine, but you'll still need to manually adjust the scale and position of your clip to keep your subject centered. But there's actually a faster way to do this. Just highlight your clip, go back to Sequence, scroll down, and click on Auto Reframe Sequence. In the window that pops up, expand the Target Aspect Ratio dropdown, select 9:16, and then hit Create. Now Premiere will automatically track your subject and reframe your video, saving you a ton of time. And that's it. Your video is now perfectly formatted for social media. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick editing tips.